Hey YouTube, it's 9 in the morning here in Southern California. It's a little chilly outside, but I got my coffee ready, so let's go to the canyon. So I'm on my way to visit a good friend of mine. We decided to take his car out today since he recently did some changes. He drives a Golf GTI, which you guys have already seen in a previous video. He's recently done a few modifications and we're kind of excited to check out what the car can do now. But yeah, we'll see how it plays out. So here's what we're going to be cruising in today. Here's the owner. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing? Ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Sounds good. Alright, so here we are. We're driving to a gas station right now. We need to get some fuel. What kind of fuel are we getting?
Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna get some E30 blend for my GTI. Adds a little performance, makes it more fun in the canyons.
So there's some canyons up in Malibu that are pretty fun to drive. I haven't been there yet. I think Andrew has driven down a few of those roads. So we'll see how it plays out. So we'll first grab some fuel, and then we'll start looking up places to hit up. So yeah, let's go there. It's only in LA that you get to drive around and you all of a sudden just get passed by a McLaren, just casually. And you just get overtaken by an R8. That's the best part about being here in LA, is that there's just all sorts of different car things going on all the time. So you'll always find like cars and coffee, you'll find different car meets going on, and there's always just some hot spots where you can go and check out some cool cars all the time, you know?
Okay, so this app basically just tells me I need to add 1.3 gallons of E85 to 3.5 gallons of 91. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Funny thing is, I just realized we have a Chevron in front of a Chevron. This is kind of crazy. Always nice to be on the carpool lane. See, this is why you should drive electric. You get to skip all of this.
Or just have a friend.
Well, that's the thing. People that buy electric cars don't have friends. So they kind of... Stop. What? Okay.
Stop and go.
That's the weirdest stop ever. Like that. Grips though, that's for sure.
It really pulls. Wow. Wow. What the view.
Okay.
How about we pull off here?
Yeah, that sounds good.
What's up guys? So this is my Mark 7.5 GTI. It's 2018 Autobahn. It's got Unitronic downpipe and running JB4 flash tune right now. I got more coming, but at the moment it's mostly just stock for as a daily driver. So this is the Great Falls green color. It's got a metallic green flake to it. It's pretty rare. I haven't seen any on the roads here in LA, but it's a pretty special color. Not many people know what it is. Everyone asks, is it blue, is it green? Get lots of compliments. I got plans for some new rims, thinking bronze probably. Other than that, some more tuning in the future. Right now we're keeping it all pretty stock, just so if there's any warranty issues I can have those replaced. So here you can see Unitronic downpipe connected to the turbo. Here is the tuning chip installed. The Bluetooth receiver goes to my phone. But it plugs in. There's a harness attached to this, which hooks up to a couple different points on the engine. You can see some of the loom here, but basically these intercept the signal to fuel rail, and to a couple other places, and then it also plugs into the OBD2 port in the cabin, and then I can control the map from the Bluetooth.
Gonna need new tires after 5,000 miles.
I mean, isn't that how it's supposed to be? Oil change and tires at the same time?
Look at Supra.
I feel that. There's a certain point where more power doesn't mean more fun, I think. It's always cool to have more power, don't get me wrong. I mean, if I could drive a car with 1,000 horsepower, I'd be more than happy to. But for like a road like this, I don't think you need much more power. I mean, I don't see the point to it.
Yeah, like if you have a Dodge Challenger or something up here, like a Hellcat Challenger, I think you're going to be more afraid than you're going to have fun. Whereas with this, I have enough confidence that I'm not afraid, but I also have enough power to not be bored. If I'm ever bored, I just, you know.
God damn, okay. I know you guys can't see the road, but I didn't think I was gonna put out this video. Let me put it that way.
Let's get that burrito flowing.
Oh man, I feel it.
It just stinks. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. Oh jeez.
Alright, so after 3 different canyons that we went through here in Malibu, there was one that really stood out the most, and that was the Latigo. And it was perfect. It was clear, there wasn't any cars going around. The road was nice and smooth. It wasn't completely unsafe like the first one that we went to. But yeah, it was definitely a really great drive, so I highly recommend it. We're heading back right now, so
Stuck in traffic.
we're just kind of stuck in traffic right now, like always, but definitely worth the drive. All right, well, thanks for taking us around in your car.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, see ya, man.
Peace.